Dear students, a warm welcome to our algebra class today. So from the last class onwards, we are doing section 2.8 automorphisms. Last class we have seen the definition of automorphism and the set of all automorphisms of the group G is a group. We have proved in the last class. So we shall continue the section automorphism in this class also. First let us see one lemma. So there is one map which is T from G to G, which is defined as xt is equal to x inverse for all x belongs to G is defined. We want to prove that the mapping is an automorphism if and only if G is abelian. Okay. So the mapping is defined as, our mapping is T from G to G defined by xt is equal to x inverse for all x belongs to G. T from G to G defined by xt is equal to x inverse for all x belongs to G. We want to prove this map T is an automorphism if and only if the group G is abelian. So first let us assume G is abelian and we shall prove T is an automorphism. Assume G is abelian. And we want to prove the map T is an automorphism. To prove T is an automorphism. So last class we have seen the definition of automorphism. Automorphism means we want to prove three things: one-to-one, on-to, homomorphism. Moonu proof panniyachana, that will be an automorphism. So one by one let us prove all the conditions. First let us prove T is 1-to. To prove T is 1-to. For that, we want to take two elements here in the first group. So let me take two elements x comma y belongs to G. And what do you want to prove? xt. Nama T of x nu solla maatom. xt xt is equal to yt implies x is equal to y. So this is the one-to-one condition. So let me consider xt is equal to yt. Adu madala consider, right? So that implies xt na map eppadi define pannirukkom parunga. xt is equal to x inverse. So in the same way yt is equal to y inverse, right? So let us take inverse on both sides. By x inverse whole inverse, which is equal to y inverse whole inverse. X inverse y inverse the whole inverse na a. So munadi theriyum pala result. So x is equal to y and hence T is 1-to-1. Next let us prove T is onto. So to prove T is onto, enna proof pannanom eduma? To prove T is onto. So last class la munadi ella na solli kuduthirken onto ku definition. So for every element here we want to find out one element here such that x T of this element is equal to this element, right? So for every element y belongs to G. Second group, rendavathu group. Their axis one element x belongs to G. First group, such that xt is equal to y. Xt is equal to y. That is proof. So for that, for every, for all, let. So last class we let y belongs to G, right? So G is a group and the group la one element is. So from this we can say y inverse also belongs to G. Group na inverse property, over element ku inverse ange irukum. Appo y inverse belongs to G. So let me take x is equal to y inverse. Y inverse enga irukku G, right? So nama onto condition paanga, for every element y belongs to G, adha let y belongs to G nu. We want to find out one x belongs to G. G in the first group la or element la find out pannalam. Ipo find out pannirukkom paaruங்க. X belongs to G. Modal group G la or element la nama find out panniyaachu. Such that in the condition namattum proof pannalam. xt is equal to y and the condition namattum proof pannalam. For that I am taking xt, right? What is the definition of xt? Xt is equal to x inverse. That is equal to x enna value nama inga eduthirkom? Y inverse the whole inverse, that is equal to. So enna proof pannidom? xt is equal to y. Adana nama proof pannanom. xt is equal to y and hence t is onto. So we have proved t is 1 1, t is onto. Next we want to prove t is a homomorphism. So homomorphism proof pannavangalukku theriyum. So let me take two elements x comma y belongs to the first group. What do you want to prove? xy t is equal to xt into y. This is our proof, right? So let me consider xyt. Left hand side xyt. Definition apply பண்ணுங்க. xt னா என்ன போடுவோம்? x inverse. அப்ப xyt னா என்ன போடணும்? xy the whole inverse. ab the whole inverse னா என்ன எழுதுவோம் குரூப்ல? b inverse a inverse. So in the same way y inverse x inverse, right? So that is equal to y inverse. Y எங்க இருக்கும்? y belongs to G. அப்ப y inverse is also in G, right? And what about x? X belongs to G. So x inverse is also in G. X inverse y inverse G ல இருக்கு. G is abelian. நம்ம இனிஷியலா assume பண்ணிருக்கோம், right? Assume G is abelian. So abelian னா என்னது? ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் A யும் B யும் இருந்துச்சுனா AB is equal to BA அப்படி போடுறது தான் abelian property. இப்போ நமக்கு இங்க ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் x inverse y inverse G ல இருக்கு. G abelian. அப்பதான் மாத்தி போட்டுக்கலாம். y inverse x inverse நீங்க எப்படி போடலாம்? x inverse y inverse. இதுக்கு ரீசன் என்னது? Since G is abelian. What is x inverse? X inverse is xt. Y inverse is yt. Right? So this is the thing we want to prove. xt into yt. And therefore t is a homomorphism. So t is 1 1 onto homomorphism. Therefore what you can say? T is 1 1 onto homomorphism. அப்படினா t is an automorphism. So first part over. G abelian assume பண்ணா t 1 1 onto homomorphism proof பண்ணிட்டோம். So t is an automorphism. Then converse part. Conversely let us assume t is an automorphism and we shall prove G is abelian. To prove G is abelian. Automorphism assume பண்ணிருக்கோம். Abelian proof பண்ணணும். That is to prove x into y is equal to y into x for all elements x comma y belongs to G. Right? So இத நம்ம proof பண்ணணும். So for that let us consider x y t. Consider பண்ணுவோம். Map definition apply பண்ணுங்க. xt னா என்னது? x inverse. அப்ப xyt னா என்னது? xy the whole inverse, right? So that is equal to ab the whole inverse na b inverse y inverse. So this is y inverse x inverse. What is y inverse? X inverse na xt, y inverse na yt. So yt, this is xt, right? So that is equal to what is t? T enna nama assume பண்ணிருக்கோம்? T is an automorphism. Automorphism na t is 1 1, t is onto, t is a homomorphism. Let us apply homomorphism property here. Homomorphism na yt into xt. Homomorphism ங்கறதனால we can write this as yx of t, right? So we have proved xyt is equal to yx of t. இது நம்ம ஏன் எழுதுறோம்னா t is a homomorphism. Homomorphism na some f of x into xy na f of x into f of y. So homomorphism condition apply பண்ணும்போது we will have yx of t. So ரெண்டு பக்கம் yxy is equal to yx. Right? So this is the thing we want to prove and hence G is abelian. So we have defined one map and we have proved G is an automorphism if and only if the corresponding group G is abelian. So this is our lemma. Next we are going to do another lemma. There also one mapping is defined. Let me write the mapping. So next lemma. Mapping is Tg from G to G. Anga T, anga Tg. Tg from G to G defined by xTg is equal to G inverse xt. xTg is equal to G inverse xg for all x belongs to G. Here this G is a fixed element of G. that is small g வந்து fixed element g. G is a fixed element. Okay. Our aim is G is a fixed element. Mapping is defined. We want to prove this mapping is an automorphism. இப்போ இந்த கொடுத்திருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த mapping automorphism அப்படினு prove பண்ணனும். அப்படினா என்னலாம் prove பண்ணனும்? TG mapping is 1 to 1, TG is onto, TG is a homomorphism. மூணு கண்டிஷனையும் prove பண்ணனும். 1 1 onto homomorphism. மூணையும் prove பண்ணிட்டோம்னா TG is an automorphism. So let us prove all those things one by one. First let us prove TG is 1 to 1. TG is 1 to 1. So the model group we have to take two elements. Let x comma y belongs to first group G. What do you want to prove? X TG is equal to y TG implies x is equal to y, right? So this is our proof. So let us consider x TG is equal to y TG, and we shall prove that is equal to, that implies x is equal to y. X TG is equal to y TG. Apply the map definition. X TG na enna paarunga? G inverse xg. So in the same way y TG na G inverse yg. Right? So cancellation law holds. So applying the cancellation law. So unga book la edha kuduthirukanga, adha follow pannom. Cancellation law apply பண்ணுங்க. முதல்ல இந்த பக்கத்துக்கு cancellation law apply பண்ணியாச்சுனா xg is equal to yg. Then apply the next cancellation law, other cancellation law. We will have x is equal to y, and therefore t is 1 to 1, right? So t what was proof பண்ணிட்டோம். Next let us prove TG is onto. TG is onto. What do you want to prove? For every element y belongs to this set, this group G, there exists one element x belongs to this group G such that x TG is equal to y. Okay. We shall prove this, right? So for every for all நீங்க முதல்ல let அப்படினு போட்டு எழுதுங்க. Right? For all நம்ம என்ன போட்டுறோம்? Y. So let y belongs to G. Okay? Also we have G is a fixed element of G. And நமக்கு தியரத்துல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So G belongs to G. From this we can say G inverse is also in G, since G is a group. G ஒரு group, அப்ப ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு inverse exist ஆகும். அப்ப G எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு inverse exist ஆகும். Let us take the inverses G inverse. So y G ல இருக்கு, G inverse G ல இருக்கு. From this we can say Gy G inverse belongs to G. சொல்லலாம், இது வந்து closure property, right? So அந்த குரூப்ல ஒண்ணொண்ணு y இருக்குது, G inverse இருக்குது. So அப்ப closure property apply பண்ணும்போது G into y into G inverse is also belongs to G. முதல்ல closure property apply பண்ணும்போது y G inverse belongs to G சொல்லலாம். திரும்ப G ஐ கூட சேர்த்தாச்சுன்னா Gy G inverse belongs to G. So let me take this as x. X is equal to Gy G inverse. It belongs to G, right? So nama y belongs to G எடுத்தோம், and we have found out one element x belongs to G. கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சா? x belongs to G find out பண்ணிட்டோம், and our aim is we want to say x TG is equal to y. So let us calculate x TG, which is equal to mapping definition apply பண்ணுங்க. x TG என்னது? G inverse xg. G inverse xg, which is equal to G inverse x க்கு value substitute பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம என்ன x க்கு வச்சிருக்கோம்? Gy G inverse. So let us substitute the value Gy G inverse. So G elements எல்லாம் groupல இருக்கு, groupல associative property true, so we can change the bracket. So G inverse G y G inverse, right? So G inverse G na identity Ey, which is equal to y. So x TG is equal to y. X TG is equal to y, and therefore TG is onto. So next one more property we want to prove. So we have proved TG is 1 1, TG is onto. In automorphism சொல்லணும்னா என்ன கூட சொல்லணும்? TG is homomorphism. TG is a homomorphism. Let us know. Homomorphism. For that, let me take two elements. x comma y belongs to first set, first group. What do you want to prove? X, y mapping Tg is equal to xTg into yTg. Right? So, this is our proof. So, let us consider the left hand side. X, y, Tg. We shall prove that is equal to xTg into yTg. So, let us take x, y, Tg, which is equal to mapping definition apply பண்ணுங்க. Definition and xTg na g inverse xg, right? அப்ப நமக்கு இங்க g inverse x க்கு பதிலா நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? xy g. Mapping definition xTg na g inverse xg. அப்ப g inverse x க்கு பதிலா நமக்கு இங்க என்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. Instead of x we are having x. அத போடுங்க. Again simplifying g inverse x இடையில ஒரு e போடுங்க. Right? So that is equal to g inverse x. We shall put one value for e as g inverse. Right? G inverse is another identity. So nama vasadikana and the value put. Now associate the property true. So we can change the bracket. So g inverse xg into g inverse yg. What is g inverse xg? G inverse xg is xTg. In the same way, g inverse yg is yTg. Right? xTg into yTg. So then I prove xTg into yTg. And therefore Tg is a homomorphism. Hence Tg is 1 onto homomorphism. And therefore we can say Tg is an automorphism. So then we have proof Tg is an automorphism of the group G. We have proved, right? So then there is one name given for Tg. Tg ku or name kuduthirukanga. Ipo nama define pannuvom indha map Tg. This is called as the inner automorphism corresponding to the fixed element G. So the mapping ku kuduthirukkudiya name vandu inner automorphism. Inner automorphism. So the name is very important. One mark question is very important, right? So inner automorphism. Inner automorphism is Tg mapping G to G defined by xTg is equal to G inverse xg for all x belongs to G, where small g is a fixed element of capital G, right? So one mark question is kapanga. So in the mapping kudutittu indha mapping oda name enna nu kekkalam. Inner automorphism ku or example kudunga appdinu solittu indha mapping kekkalam. So eppadi kaataalum neenga attend pananum. So adhe mari lemma ku proof ella neat ah padichukonga. That's all for today's class. Thank you students.